Suicidal blade, pull up, knock you off the shelf. I don't let this beam flash like this bitch is show and tell. Chopper from the dark side, go to hell. If you want beef, it's 5 guys. I do wish you well. Let us chopper play, like a playground. Some killers where I stay, don't play around.
Nice round.
I could get used to that.
My bad, gang. Yeah. Let's go.
I can't fuck the bitch unless I'm off 100 rounds. Walk into that party, chopper on me, I'ma blow him down. Yeah, so what's up then? Oh, that's your girl, I didn't even know her, still got fucked down. Oh, that's so chopped, let me get the blower, I'm trying to clutch down.
Nice.
Save me, bro! You're fake as fuck. You're fake as fuck for that. Nah, you didn't. Nah, fuck you. You pussy. You did not. Look at you hiding in this fucking corner.
Spike down A.
Okay.
They won't expect it. They won't expect it.
Surely they won't. Exactly.
One enemy remaining.
He kind of expected it.
They might have expected it, but they didn't see it.
Territory.
That shit ain't work.
Good job.
One enemy remaining.
No charges left.
Yo, hope a 6 up on my dick just like a touchdown. Fly to Cali, need some Zaza when I touch down. Love to the bank, ha, where my fucks now? Block 3, 8, fanny pouches where I touch down. That bitch drive me crazy, need a baby, I'ma fly her out. What the fuck? Suicidal blade, pull up, knock you off the shelf. I don't let this beam flash like this bitch is show and tell. Chopper from the dark side, go to hell. If you want beef, it's 5 guys. I do wish you well. Let us chopper play, like a playground. Some killers where I stay, don't play around. I can't fuck the bitch unless I'm off 100 rounds. Walk into that party, chopper on me, I'ma blow him down. Says you wanna sky, go get the chopper. Mask on, Darth Vader on me, brother. Chicken water, Remy, double D's, give me that. Double C, Fendi bag. Sniper, bang, extended mag. Red flag, maybe mad, alert, he gone. Flip it right, catch a bag, sell a strap, clap my arms. There's some Henny in my cup, I got beef with Patron. I got mixing but like DJ Khaled on another song.
Player standing.
This bitch must be smart downtown Atlanta.
I'm married, not the function with a portal gun. Tryna get a bad bitch, I don't care if it's immoral. I got shit from different continents with me if you won't pour it up. I'll stop trying to come back to my crib, I don't got more for you. My new bitch from Bulgaria, grew up in the UK. I got like 20 in my area who came in from LA. Hit my trap phone, flip phone, I'm tryna get paid. I got gas, I got dispos, anything you say. He moving like he rob, I spin his block. NES my dog and I keep ducking from the cops. I got 20 men who hiding in the bushes hunting ops. I'll take any less than 20 bands if you wanna get the spot. It's just protocol. Overall, I get too much business. Make some moves, so shit, I'll leave my exes with my riches. I've been out in different cities, baby, I'll be back for Christmas. Jesus ain't been with me lately, I know I've been sinning. Coast to coast, I got hoes every side. Got my crowd in the streets, they flagging shit down like it's pride. I got big G's, big whips, double up the size. Need a thick bitch, big tits, everything I like.
Okay. No, I fucked that up.
I'm in your block, like, where the fuck you at? Yeah, I'm skinny, but my pockets fucking fat. Bitch, I'm geeking in the trap. Disrespect, I take your hat. You say that you got some money, bitch. Tell me where it's at.
that road. I'ma pop my shit for show. I'ma pop my shit for show. And the SRT in his titty. That bitch tryna see what's in it. It was all my dick, but I did it. Like trap the shit, not rent it. Bad bitch tryna get in my business. I put the work in and God's my witness. Can't wait till tell my brother. In the Hellcat, yeah, we cut up. Shit crazy, like I was just like I'm from the mud and now like I'm bossing up on these hoes. Like it was just on my dick and now we bossing up. Walking this bitch, I ain't a bitch and I had some fun. I told my slime in that bag, want me like 2, one I didn't know. I was gonna suck this dick for some promo. I knew this bitch was a slut. All black train, this shit gon' run. SRT in the camp with some guns. Smoking on gas, not regular runs. Fuck you, meals, I'm doing it done. They gotta bother you, see me go up. Ain't no sweat, that shit my son. Big black truck and I'm fucking shit up. Talking my shit, you know that's it. She like, swear, where the fuck have you been? I got more money and I got rich.
Yes, sir!
What the fuck, what the fuck, bitch, what the fuck,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm in this bitch and I'm faded. Fuck inside this crib and shoot his ass, I make him hate me. Double shaking for attention, TBH just entertaining. Just wait till he get that work. I put up like gas a blaze, but don't hit me up for work. I got special clientele. And I'm sipping on some syrup. It's a potion, it's a spell. When I put you in the dirt, I won't let my muddy spill. Yeah, that boy gon' need a hearse. Pay your tributes, ring the bell. Take him off the earth, I'm gon' send that boy to hell. That boy got blood on my Chanel. Yeah. Me and her got secrets I won't tell. Smoking gas, it got me stupid. You can tell just by the smell. Bitch, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Bitch, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Bitch, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Enemy remaining. One enemy.
I'm gonna knife open, let me knife open.
Spike down mid.
I fucking.
I'm gonna knife him.
Behind the wall. Last player standing.
Slime. Oh shit! Oh my god!
Bitch, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
It's Phoenix A.
Here, let's go.
Spike down A.
Oh wait, they could be going B now. Oh.
The spike is here.
Come on, Burger Caesar. Caesar sounds like a slur, dude. Like a racial slur.
Joke's over.
Like, you
You're
dirty
dead.
Caesar.
Oh, they destroyed it.
One enemy remaining.
Should somebody teleport or not? Here, one sec, I'll smoke it off.
Smoke's down.
30 seconds left.
Planting B.
Okay.
Don't even peek, just let them. He's teleporting back.
Actually?
Yeah, he teleported.
90 minutes.
Yeah, I've been pissed about that shit. If I shoot, it's from the hip. Why you think they call me Deadshot? Cause I don't miss. About 10 bands up on this fit. I'm with affliction with the rig. I'm with your bitch, she sucking dick. Make sure you give her a kiss. With the earth, I'm gonna send that boy to hell. Yeah. Damn, that boy got blood on my Chanel. Yeah. Me and her got secrets I won't tell. Fucking gas, it got me stupid. You can touch it by the smell. Bitch, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Bitch, what the fuck? 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 Bitch, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Bitch, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Bitch, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Bitch, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Bitch, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Bot coming back.
Good shit. KJ,
Match
the
point.
goat. Fuck off!
Alright, I take back what I said about those bots. They're pretty good. So are you.
Spike's there.
Pick that shit up, Gecko.
Wow. I don't like your tone, mister.
I'm sorry.
Apologies.
Me and Joe was fucking Reggie with a telegraph. Libro want a feature, had to block him, send a telegraph. Way too much, though accountant doing hella math. How you hate outside the club, bro, you dumb bad. Fuck your perfect pitch, Charlie Puth. Cause I got my perfect bitch, what about you? If I'm in the room, I'm the highest in the room.
One enemy remaining.
Just on my bot. Handle stairs. My bot.
Line them out! Going in!
Fuck.
Didn't want to join your friends, huh? Switching sides.
We got this. Logs. I got it.
The bigger they are, the harder they fall.
Yeah, I'm with we at.
Match point.
What do we?
Grenade!
With my pockets tight as fuck, money blue. Keep her eye on your mama cause she laying in my bed. I took your auntie smoking Doja in a shed. Wake up out the coma, all I see is red. She don't tell my body if I'm dead. Charlie be quiet, don't make it sound like you got to. If she wants me love, she's gonna run. Charlie be quiet, so damn high. I'm fugazi, you wanna die. Too lazy, I'll be alright.
Finished.
What the heck?
Unlucky.
I was not lucky. I was not.
Me and Joe was fucking Reggie with a telegraph. Libro want a feature, had to block him, send a telegraph. Way too much, though accountant doing hella math. How you hate outside the club, bro, you dumb bad. Charlie be quiet, ooh baby, so you high. I'm fugazi, wanna die, too lazy.
I'm I'm gonna say slur.
Things to do.
I wasn't aware, bro.
It's fine. I like totally forgive you, I guess.
Such a nice guy. Thank you.
Oh, go get him. Here comes the party.
How do you live that?
Charlie, be quiet. So damn high. You wanna die? I'll be alright. I'll forget you. Charlie, be quiet. So damn high. You wanna die? I'll be alright. Yeah. Okay. Undercover. Hey. Bitch. Undercover, glad we sliding with a 12. Boy, quit that talking, we gon' send him straight to hell. Fuck a fine, we gon' free my bro, pay that bill. Rolling slugs out the chopper, bitch, I feel like Tony Shell. Anybody wanna talk about you done fucked up? Do I love it, do I hate it, that's the conundrum. Little bitch, farewell. Not a pawn skin, I call it dead skin cell. I been getting to this money, bitch, I'm bread well. Night with a beam, shoot him down, that's a bad shell. Fuck you, bitch, and you can catch a shell. Stupid ass trick, boy, fuck your mom as well. You a bitch. I just been rocking the Gucci with the Burberry. Pop up out him in that cut, boy, you very scary. I keep on making bitches rapping shit is not for you, little bro. Yeah, bitch, you say it's hard cold, like some fucking snow. I been fucking bitches, look like dogs, I feel like G.I. Joe. You think that he pretty, but he need to clip all of his toes. Boy, your hoes is washed, but your clothes ain't. Bitch, I'm moving in, I paint your walls with red paint. Undercover, glad we sliding with a 12. Boy, quit that talking, we gon' send him straight to hell. Fuck a fine, we gon' free my bro, pay that bill. Rolling slugs out the chopper, bitch, I feel like Tony Shell. Anybody wanna talk about you done fucked up? Do I love it, do I hate it, that's the conundrum.
Paper chase, shooter old fashioned, see a oppie finna page. Copper XL, cause my favorite brand's Asian. Double XL, dropping ass, I can save them. Almost got expelled from my classroom missing pages. Told my teacher, my bad for trying to make it. I ain't on the bleachers, but these ain't no games I'm playing. I ain't texted back, I thought the bullet like the Matrix. On guard, tall hats, couple shooters on guard. Fall back, look like Project X in a yard. Call back, but he's still an X in my heart. I'll be driving reckless off an X in the car. Triple S Balenci, I don't step in the yard. I don't step in no pond, only red on the carpet. Tripping off an X, I'ma get friends in the darkness. Sitting in the park with my friends trying to spark shit. Yeah, make the block hot, power on harvest. Told her take the top off, I'm trying to start shit. Yeah, I told that boy stop lying and lock it. Fucked up and high while I'm trying to park it. Yeah, ha, ha, yeah, ha.
One enemy remaining.
Okay, who's got the snacks? Weapon here.
Who helped Grenier today? Not Queens. Good day to...
Call pick up. Call pick up this instant.
Call 175. Hear Blue Girl loud and clear.
Call. Did you really think that an Orican matron like my mother would allow a pack of filthy clones to set up camp on her estate? Did you not consider the kind of hell her knowledge of our association might bring down on my head?
Brothers need home. Call find friend. Brothers and call. Make home here instead. Call sorry.
Not good enough, Call. Not good enough. Ugh. Are you sulking? Don't be a child.
Call not no sulk. Call busy planning. Brothers need call.
Yes, well, I'm bored.
Not everyone get to be bored. Call filthy clone. Built to kill, built to die. Call want to not be slave, to free brothers. You need to plan, to work, maybe die. You want clown? Find other call, or it can make plenty.
Call? How dare...
Tenno, go fishing later?
You're doing way too much talking, not enough fishing.
We've got signals singing the same song as our victims.